This is the Dreo indoor space heater. It oscillates and moves side to side. This is a really great item. We picked this up for this, it's like a sunroom we have here. It's got some really large windows, so we need some extra heat in here in the cooler months. This thing does a phenomenal job of heating the room up. We're very, very happy with it. It's about 25 inches tall. It doesn't take up too much space. You can see here, it's got a nice footprint here, so it's not gonna like tip over. It's got a pretty long cord. I got the cord tucked underneath this cabinet here. And this is the remote control. It's got the controls on here that light up after you press the power button, but we typically use just the remote for it. Basically, we'll power it up right here. You can see it just powers up nice and easy. We have it set to 95 degrees. It does change. It does. This is the highest it'll go, but 95, we just keep it on this setting pretty much just to get some, like I said, it does get pretty cool in this room, so we just heat the room up and then we just pretty much turn it off. But it has the up and down right here. It's got this, makes it oscillate. This sets the timer, and then this turns the beeping off. You'd see here, you'd set it to beep or not beep. And then it just has a couple other features. You just run the fan. You could put it on, it's got H3. It's got a couple different settings here. So you could see here, it's got different hours. You could set it between 1 to, let's see here, 1 to 12 hours. We don't usually use the timer. We usually just turn it on and off manually. But very happy with this thing. It really heats the room up. This is the silver color. It does come in a gold color as well, but this just goes with the decor. You can see the silver here. It's got a really nice color to it. But definitely want to pick this up if you're looking to heat a good size room up. Very happy with it. 25 inches tall. It doesn't take up a lot of room, and it's absolutely going to heat the room up for you. So highly recommend picking one of these up. It's a really great item.